The fractions we can divide into two types. Fractions, there are two types: proper fractions and improper fractions. Proper fractions and improper. All the other types, the unit fractions, mixed numbers, they are under these two. If I write 3 over 4, 3 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. Now in this 3 over 4, 3 is less than 4. Numerator is less than the denominator. These kind of fractions are proper fractions. Numerator is less than denominator. Then improper fractions, it is opposite of that. If I turn it upside down, or the reciprocal means turn the fraction upside down. Now it is 4 over 3. Numerator is bigger than the denominator. These are improper fractions. Numerator greater than or bigger than denominator. If I write few examples for proper fractions, I can write this 3 over 4, half, 1 over 2, 5 over 7. These are proper fractions. Improper fractions, I can write this 3 over 4, turning it upside down, 4 over 3. But this 1 over 2, if I turn it upside down, it will be 2 over 1. 2 over 1 means 2 divided by 1, it's 2. It's a whole number. Now it's not a fraction. So any whole number, the denominator is 1. 6 over 1 means 6. Now we don't consider these ones under fractions. So no point of turning this half. Then we'll turn this 5 over 7 upside down. Then it is 7 over 5. If I write one more, 3 over 2. These are improper fractions. Then there is mixed numbers. Mixed numbers means a way of writing improper fractions. It's not a different type of fraction. Same improper fractions, we write it in a different way. We can converting improper fractions to mixed numbers to improper fractions. Mixed numbers. In mixed numbers, we have whole number part and a proper fraction together. This 2 is whole number. If I represent it as a diagram, 2 circles, 2 complete circles. The third circle divide into 3 equal parts and shade only 2 parts. This is 1 plus 2 over 3. Then it's all together 2 over 3. Whole number part and a proper fraction. So mixed numbers, we can write examples like 2 over 3, 1 over 2, 10, 3 over 7. These are mixed numbers. So we can convert improper fractions to mixed numbers and mixed numbers to improper fractions. Then under proper fractions, I wrote 1 over 2. If I write one more fraction like 1 over 10, now 1 over 2 and 1 over 10, there is a similarity. Check the numerator. The top number is 1, always 1. So we call these fractions as unit fractions. This comes under proper fractions. Unit fractions. Unit fractions, the numerator is always 1. Half, 1 over 10, 1 over 5, 1 over 100. These are unit fractions. Then we'll see how we convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. Convert improper fractions to mixed numbers. I will take this first improper fraction 4 over 3. 4 divided by 3. This over, the line means the division. So instead of this line, I can write division symbol. 4 divided by 3. 4 is inside, 3 is outside. Divide 4 by 3. Or how many 3's are there in 4? 4 divided by 3. Then do the long division. Remainder comes as 1. We don't divide it to decimals. We keep it remaining when we get the remainder. Then this 1 is the whole number part. The answer, the remainder comes as the numerator. 1. Denominator same as the given improper fraction. 1 over 3. If I write the second one, 7 over 5, it is same like 7 divided by 5. 7 divided by 5. There's only one 5 in 7. Then the remainder comes as 2. Whole number part 1. Denominator is same 5. Numerator is 2. This 3 over 2. 3 divided by 2. Whole number part 1. Denominator same 2. Numerator is the remainder. 1 over 2. One more fraction we'll write. 13 over 4. 13 divided by 4. 4 times 3 is 12. So 3 is the whole number. Denominator is 4. Numerator comes as the remainder. It is 1. I know you all know these ones. This is just to remind. Write it up to here. Next, converting mixed numbers into improper fractions. Convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. I will take 2 over 5 as an mixed number. Start from the denominator. Then 2 to 5 times 5 times 2, 10. Add the numerator. 5 times 2, 10. 10 plus 2 is 12. 12 over same denominator. 12 divided by 5. 7, 2 over 9. Multiply, add. This is times. Then add the numerator. 3, 1 over 5. 10, 4 over 7. Multiply, add. Nine times 7, 63. 63 plus 2, 65 over 9. Third one. 5 times 3, 15. 15 plus 1, 16 over 5. Fourth one. 7 times 10, 70. 70 plus 4, 74 over 7. Then what are called as equivalent fractions? Equivalent fractions. If I divide a circle into two equal parts and color one, it is half. Then I'm going to divide this circle into four equal parts and color two parts. This is 2 over 4. Imagine these two circles are same size. Now the colored areas are similar, no? They are equal. So these are equal fractions or equivalent fractions. Half is equal to 2 over 4. They are same. Then if I divide this circle into 8 equal parts and color 4 parts, then it is 4 over 8, another equivalent fraction for half. So to become this half 2 over 4, I can multiply by 2, numerator and denominator both. Multiply denominator and numerator both by a same number. 1 times 2, 2, 2 times 2, 4. Then if I multiply half by 4, 4 times 1, 4, 4 times 2, 8. 8 over 4. So these are equivalent fractions. We'll write few equivalent fractions. Three over 7. Write two equivalent fractions for 3 over 7. You can multiply by any positive number. Multiply numerator and denominator both by the same number. Unmute and talk. I can multiply by 10. Then this is 30 over 70. If I multiply by 2, it is 6 over 14. Second example, I'll write 25 over 100. For this 25 over 100, I even can divide both numerator and denominator by a same number. Because this fraction we can simplify. This is not the simplest form of the fraction. I can divide 25 and 100 both by 5. 25 divided by 5 is 5. 100 divided by 5 is 20. 5 over 20 is also improper equivalent fraction for 25 over 100. We can multiply or we can divide. Now here 3 over 7 we can't divide. There's no any common number to divide. But 25 over 100 we can. We can divide even by 25. 25 over 100 divide by 25. Twenty-five divided by 25 is 1. 100 divided by 25 is 4. 1 over 4. And this is the simplest form of this fraction. These are equivalent fractions, and also 1 over 4 is the simplest form of the fraction 25 over 100. Simplest form of a fraction. This is how we have to keep the final answer. They will ask us to add two fractions, subtract, multiply, or even to divide, or sometimes addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, everything in one question. We have to do all the steps, and the final answer should be keep in the simplest form. First example, 36 over 48. Write this fraction in the simplest form or simplify. Then check whether the numerator and denominator divisible by a same number. Like the cancelling off, we cut We can cut them like this way. 36 and 48. Both are even numbers. Now we'll start from a simple number, smallest one. Both are divisible by 2. 36 divided by 2 is 18. Then 48 divided by 2 is 24. Again we can 18 and 24. Both are even numbers. Can divide by 2. Or 18 and 24 both are divisible by 3. And they are divisible by 6 also. So if I cancel by 6, 18 is 6 times 3. 24 is 6 times 4. So the simplest form is 3 over 4. We can divide 36 and 48 at once by 12. 36 divided by 12 is 3. 48 divided by 12 is 4. 3 over 4 is the simplest form. (28 over 70). Another one. 250 over 1000. (16 over 100). (200 over 60). Try to write all these fractions in the simplest form. Sorry, I couldn't unmute. No. Okay, the second one, 28 over 70. Both are divisible by 7. So 7 times 4, this is 7 times 10. Then 4 and 10 again divisible by 2. Then the simplest form is 2 over 5. Third one, 250 and 1000. Ends with 0, so we can divide by 10. 10 means cancel off the zeros. Then it is 25 over 100. Can divide by 5, or you can divide straight away by 25. Here the same thing like this one. 25 times 1, 25 times 4, it is 1 over 4. Then 16 over 100. Can divide by 4. 16 is 4 times 4. 100 is 4 times 25. 4 over 25. Fifth one, 200 over 16. This is an improper fraction, see? Numerator is bigger than the denominator. Can divide by 4. This is 4 times 4. This is 4 times 50. Again can cancel by 2. 2 times 25. 2 times 2. This is 25 over 2. But we don't keep the answers as improper fractions. We have to convert it into a mixed number. So final answer of any fraction question, we should keep as a simplest form and also as a mixed number if it is an improper answer. If you get an answer as improper fraction, make it in simple and write it as a mixed number. 25 divided by 2. You can do the long division. This is 1, 2, 0, 5 is 2, 4 remainder 1. It is 12, 1 over 2, 12 and half. In fraction questions, don't write the answer as a decimal. They expect your answer as a fraction. The questions with decimals, write the answer as a decimal. Now, if you have seen any past paper question, you can see just there are simple questions to add two fractions, multiply like that. The final answer you have to keep as a fraction in a simplest form. Don't write it as a decimal. So these are the basic things about fractions. Now we can go to multiplication. If you have anything up to now from here, the fractions, the type of fractions, convert in fractions, then write in equivalent fractions, then how we simplify fractions. If there's anything to ask, you can ask. If you don't have any doubts, we can continue. Normally the numbers, first we do addition, add two numbers, the subtraction like that, no? But in the fractions, the easiest way is doing multiplication first. Multiplying fractions, easy. Addition and subtraction, we have to get the common denominator, that means LCM of two denominators. That is the difficult part. Easiest one is multiplication, then division, after that addition and subtraction. Your book is starting from the multiplication of fractions. We can multiply a fraction by a whole number. We can multiply 3 or 2 fractions or even more than that together. Like this. We can multiply a number or whole number by a fraction. Like this. Then we can multiply a proper fraction by a mixed number. We can multiply two mixed numbers, 2, 1 over 3 times 1, 2 over 5, like this. So these are the all possible ways of multiplication fractions. Fraction or the proper fraction times a whole number. Whole number times a proper fraction. Multiplying two proper fractions. Proper fraction times a mixed number. Then multiplying two mixed numbers. So this can be go even further, multiplying 3, multiplying 4 terms like that. Now I told you any whole number we can write like this way. The denominator is 1. 10. 10 over 1. For any whole number, denominator is 1. Now come to this first one. 2 over 7 times 3. 3 is a whole number. So denominator is 1. When we are multiplying, multiply numerators together, denominators together. It's very easy. All the numerators multiply together. All the denominators multiply together. 2 times 3 is 6. 7 times 1 it is 7. Then if your answer is a proper fraction, simplify it. If it is an improper fraction, convert into a mixed number. Now 6 over 7, we can't simplify it further. So this is the final answer. We come to the second one. 3 over 5 times 2 over 9. We can multiply numerators and denominators together. Then write it the simplest form. Or before we multiply, we can cancel off the common factors. When we are cancelling, we cancel top numbers to the bottom numbers. We don't cancel top numbers with top or bottom with bottom. Numerators to the denominator. Can we divide or simplify 3 and 5? No. Can we simplify 2 and 9? No. Then check like this way. Can we simplify 3 and 9? 3 and 9? Yes, both are multiples of 3. So we can cut by 3. Then 2 and 5? No, we can't simplify. Before we multiply, we can simplify if we can. 3 times 1, this is 3 times 2. Now multiply them. 1 times 2 is 2. 5 times 3 is 15. This is a proper fraction and this is the simplest form. If you multiply first, it goes as 3 times 2, 6. 9 times 5, 45. It's a proper fraction, but this is not the simplest form. We have to simplify it. 6 and 45 both are divisible by 3, no? This is 3 times 2. This is 3 times 15. 2 over 50. I did the same question. You all are silent. I am the only one who is talking. But when we are doing the questions in the Tute, I am not telling any answer. You have to explain one by one. Now the third one. They are mixed numbers. Now we can't multiply keeping like this. We have to convert them into improper fractions. That is our first step. Convert this into improper fractions. Now you all know how to convert them. Multiply at 3 times 2, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. 7 over 3 times 5 times 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 over 3. Then see whether you can cancel top and bottom numbers. No. 7 and 7 we can't. 3 and 3 we can't because they are in the same place. Numerator and denominator. Top and top, bottom and bottom.
Yes. 7
Yes.
and 3 in
Sorry, I couldn't.
3, 5, right?
Denominator. Yes. Thank you. Yeah. Now multiply then. 7 into 7, 49. 3 into 5, 50. Now this is an improper fraction. Write it as a mixed number. 49 divided by 15. How many 15s are there in 49? 15, then it goes 30. After that 45. It goes like this. Now next one is 60. So 1, 2, 3. You can use your calculator for these ones, but don't write the answer as a decimal. This is 3. Then it's 45. Remainder comes as 4. 15 times 3, 45. 45 plus 4 is 49. This one, 5 is a whole number. So I can write the denominator as 1. Then check whether you can cancel. We can, no? This is 5 times 1. This is 5 times 2. Now multiply. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times 2 is 2. Half is the answer. Mixed number is there. Convert into an improper fraction. 5 times 1, 5. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 over 5. We can't cancel any number here. So multiply 7 over 15. Fraction multiplied by a decimal. Now this is number 6. Fraction multiplied by a decimal. Now in these type of questions, they will ask you to write the answer as a fraction or write the answer as a decimal like that. They will mention how they want the answer. So here, just I gave you a question, multiply a fraction by a decimal, only one answer. So here we can keep it as a fraction or decimal. Anyway, first we'll write it as a decimal. 2 over 5. 2 over 5, now it is a fraction. So we can convert it into a decimal, then multiply it by 2.5. 2 over 5. 2 divided by 5. This is how we convert fractions to decimals. This is 0. Then add a 0 and keep the decimal point. 20 divided by 5 is 4. So this is like 0.4 times 2.5. Now the lesson is not fractions. Now it is a decimal lesson. Multiplication of two decimals. When we are multiplying decimals, we ignore the decimal places and multiply. We consider this as 4 and 25. Multiply 25 by 4. 25 times 4. It's 100. Then how many decimal places are there? First one, 0.4, one decimal place. 2.5, another decimal place. Altogether, two decimal places. So we count two places from the end of the number, 1, 2, and keep the decimal point. 1.00. 1.00 means 1. There's no value. 00. It's 1. We have to keep two decimal places for the answer. Multiply the numbers, ignoring the decimals. Then count the number of decimals and keep it. Now I am going to do the same question and write the answer as a fraction. 2 over 5 times, how do we write 2.5 as a fraction? After the decimal point, there is only one digit, or there is only one decimal place. One decimal place means 1 0. 1 0. It's 10. If there are two decimal places, it is 100. Denominator is 100. 0.1 means 1 over 10. If I write 0.03, there are two decimal places. It is 3 over 100. We add the zeros, counting the number of decimal places in a decimal. If I write another one, 0.367, 3 decimal places. So the denominator is 1000 now. 367 over 1000. Now in this one, only one decimal place is there. So denominator is 10. Numerator is 25. 25 over 10. Improper fraction. Multiply proper fraction by an improper fraction. Now it's a normal fraction question. First check whether you can simplify or not. 2 and 10 can. 2 times 1. This is 2 times 5. 25 and 5 again can. 5 times 5. This is 5 times 1. 5 over 5. Or here also we can cancel it. 5 times 1. 5 times 1. 5 over 5 means again one whole number. Answer is 1. These are algebraic fractions. A squared over AB times B squared over A. These are algebraic fractions. Multiply. Same like the numbers, we can cancel off the common factors. A squared means A into A. B squared means B into B. I can cancel off A terms first. Numerator, there are two A terms. Denominator, there's only one. I can cancel one of the A terms. I cut it like this. Numerator, one A term is there. This one I can cancel with this A here. The second fraction, denominator is A. I can cut A. Now in our answer, there's no A. A has cancelled. One of the A terms cancelled with this one. And the other one cancelled with this. Then B square and B. One of the B terms can cancel. Not both. B, one of the B. Then only the remaining thing is this. I will multiply. B over 1, or we can write it as B. So these are algebraic fractions, multiplying two algebraic fractions. Now I have done 7 examples, all the ways of multiplying fractions we did. Now we'll go to the Tute. Multiplying fractions, giving your answers as a fraction in their lowest terms. That means as a simplest form or as mixed numbers. If you get any answer as an improper fraction, you have to convert it into a mixed number. Work out. Now in the third one, you can see it is multiplying a fraction by a decimal. So question is asked to write your answer as a fraction. So final answer should be a fraction, not a decimal. The last one, it's algebraic fractions. This should be multiplication here. Sixth question, correct it.
Excuse me, miss.
Yes. Yes, tell me.
And
I couldn't hear. What did you tell? I couldn't hear. Oh,
can
send
I
me
know
as a.
where the Tute is sent?
It is in the group. Aren't you there? You are there in the group? Did I add you after I shared it? Wait, I'll share it again.
I am in the group, but I don't see the Tute.
Okay, wait, I'll share it again.
Okay.
Now check.
Okay, miss. Thank you.
Okay. Working with fractions, multiplying fractions. There are 6 questions under that. Now the last question with algebraic fractions. It is b over a squared times b over a. Change that addition to multiplication. It is not addition. Correct that. Now do all 6 questions given there. Yenali and Kiara, you two also doing no? Since you two are not Anuviduda, all 3. You haven't on the camera, so Yenali is there. Kiara and Viduda. Okay, the first one. So this 3 is a whole number. So denominator is 1. We can cancel it. 3 times 1. This is 3 times 6. 5 times 1 is 5. 6 times 1 is 6. This is the simplest form and it's a proper fraction. Second one, convert into an improper fraction. 4 times 1, 4. 4 plus 3, 7. Times 4 over 7. We can cancel everything. 4 times 1, 4 times 1, 7 times 1, 7 times 1. Answer is 1. Third one, it's with a decimal. So now in the question, they asked to write the answer as a fraction. So convert this decimal into a fraction. 9 over 8 times, there are 2 decimal places. So denominator is 100. Numerator is 75. Now cancel off the common factors. We can cancel nothing. 9 and 8, no. 9 and 100 can't. 75 and 8, no. Then multiply. 75 times 9. 670. 75 and 100 we can cancel. 75 and 100. 5 times table or 25 times table. 25 times 3. This is 25 times 4. That's all. 9 times 3, 27. 8 times 4, 32. Proper fraction. Check your answers. If your answers are correct, put a tick. Fourth one, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fractions are there. The same way we can cancel off top and bottom numbers. 3 and 27 we can cancel by 3. 3 times 1. This is 3 times 9. 7 and 21. 7 times 1. 7 times 3. 4 and 8. 4 times 1. 4 times 2. Again this 2 and 4. 2 times 1. 2 times 2. 3 and 9. 3 times 1. 3 times 3. That's all. Then multiply. 1 times 1 times 1 times 1. 1. Denominator 3 times 2, 6. 1 over 6 is the answer. If not, multiply everything and make it simple. By dividing by common numbers, write the simplest form of the fraction. Fifth one, again there are 3 fractions. 2 are mixed numbers. So first of all, we have to convert them into improper fractions. 8 times 3, 24. 24 plus 2, 26 over 3. Times 7 over 13. 7 times 1, 7 plus 2, 9. 9 over 7. 7 and 7 can cut. 7 times 1, 7 times 1. 3 and 9, 3 times 1, 3 times 3. 13 and 26. 13 times 1, this is 13 times 2. That's all. Then the numerator is 2 times 1 times 3 is 6. Denominator 1 times 1 times 1. No point of writing 1 in the denominator. The answer is a whole number, 6. Question number 6. Change this into multiplication and do. We haven't done addition. We can cancel off one of the b terms here with this. The other b term also cancel with this one. One of the a terms can cancel here. Then it's 2, a to the power 2. Then a to the power 2 and a to the power 2 also get cancelled. Answer is not 0. Answer is 1. If I do it without cancelling, it is like b times a to the power 3. No? B squared a cube over a squared times a is a to the power 3 and b squared. Now again we can cancel the same common terms. No? a3 and a3 get cancelled. B to the power 2, b to the power 2 also get cancelled. It's 1. All correct? Yes. Hmm. Come to the 7th question. Give it a try. Question number 7. There is a pizza. Then Lucas divides this pizza into 3 equal pieces for him and 2 of his friends. One friend is Teddy. Other friend's name is not given. Lucas, Teddy, and there is another friend. Divide into 3 equal parts means 1 over 3, 1 over 3, 1 over 3. The question is with the Teddy's portion. Teddy eats 5/8 of his piece for lunch. The piece is 1/3. So he eats from this piece 5/8. 5/8. Then we can find the amount he eats for lunch. And a further 2/5 of what remains for dinner. We can't cancel anything. So this is 5 over 24. This 5 over 24 is from the whole pizza. From the whole pizza, Teddy is eating 524. Then for the dinner, now if I take this as the pizza, then divide it to 3 parts and 1 part is for Teddy. Now this is Teddy's portion. Then divide it into 8 equal parts and 5 parts. I'll take this as 5 parts out of 8. He eats for lunch. Then what is the remaining amount? What is the remaining amount? 3 over 8. Yes, this is 3 over 8. Now forget about this. Now Teddy only have this part now. Then Teddy is eating 5 parts, dividing the pizza into 8 equal parts. After he gets his pizza, not the whole pizza, piece, he divides that piece again into 8 equal parts. He eats 5 parts. Now he has 3 parts remaining. Now from that 3 parts, he eats 2/5 for dinner. Remaining 3 over 8. From this, he eats 2/5 for dinner. This is from the remaining, not from the original one. Then if we write it from the original one, what is the remaining amount of the pizza from the original one? Original piece is 1 over 3. From the 1 over 3, 3 over 8 is remaining. From that, he is eating 2 over 5. I write the order from the original pizza. The remaining amount of pizza for Teddy for his dinner is this. 3 over 8 is remaining from Teddy's piece. If we write it from the original pizza, from the pizza, it is 1 over 3 times 3 over 8. Then from this, he is eating 2/5 for his dinner. Then again multiply by 2 over 5. This is 3. Now all 3 are multiplications. Cancel off the common factors and multiply. 3 and 3 can cut. 2 and 8. That's all. Multiply. 1 over 20. Now 1 over 20 is from the original pizza. If you don't multiply by 1 over 3, if you don't multiply by 1 over 3, then it's not from the original pizza. It is only from the piece Teddy got. So we should multiply by 1 over 3. Who got this answer correct? 1 over 20? You. Others, Viduda. Good. Now others, did you understand why we multiply by 1 over 3? Because the question asked to write it from the original pizza. Next question, question number 8. Try it. Question number 8. In a factory, 2/3 of the floor area is taken up by the production line. 2/3 for the production line. Out of the remaining floor area is 1/3. 2/3 taken for the production, remaining part is 1/3. Out of the remaining floor area, 3/5 is taken up by the office space. From this remaining part, they have taken 3/5 out of 1/3, 3/5 for the office space. The rest is warehouse space. From this 1/3, the rest is warehouse. For the warehouse, now it's same like that PISA question. Now forget about this production line. The remaining floor area is 1/3. From this remaining floor area, 3/5 taken for the office space. Divide this into 5 equal parts and take 3 parts for office. Then the remaining part, here the shaded part, for warehouse. What is the remaining part? 3/5 is for office. What is the remaining part? 2/5. From the original one, 2/5. The rest is warehouse space. The warehouse space occupies 2000. M2 means square meters. Here this one, square meters. Work out the floor area of the production line. This one we can simplify. 3 times 1. 3 times 1. It's 1/5. So from the original one, or the floor area in the factory, 1/5 used for office space. Then this one can't simplify. Then it's 2/15. 2/15 is used for the warehouse. The warehouse space is 2000 square meters. Warehouse space 2/15. 2/15 means 2000 square meters. What is 1/15? 2/15 is 2000. What is 1/15? 2 parts are 2000. 1000, yes, divide by 2. 1000 square meters. So there are 15 such parts in the factory or the floor. Multiply by 15, that is the area of the floor, third floor. Not third floor, no, just the floor area. The total floor area multiply by 15. 15 times 1000. 15,000 square meters. What do they ask? Work out the floor area of the production line. Now this is the total floor area, not the production line area. How do we find the area of the production line? From this, 2/3 is production line. Area of the production line. Two-thirds of this, I'll write it in small here, 2/3 times 15,000. Use the cal and find. Or you can simplify it. 3 and 15 both are divisible by 3. Is it 10,000 square meters? Who got the answer correct? 8th one. Okay, good. Others? I'll do it again. In a factory, 2/3 of the floor area. This is the floor area. From this, 2/3 used for production. The remaining means 1/3. From this remaining floor area, 3/5 is taken for office space. The rest remaining, that means 2/5, used for warehouse. Now we'll first find the area of the office from the original space or the floor area, the initial floor area. This is the total floor area. No? Office space is 1/3 times 3/5. It's 1/5. Then the warehouse space. From 1/3 remaining amount 2/5. It is 2/15. The rest is warehouse space. The warehouse space occupies 2000 square meters. This is warehouse space, no? 2/15 means 2000 square meters. Then we'll find what is 1/15. This is 2 parts, no? 2 parts from the total floor area is 2000. 1 part is 1000. Then total floor area is 15 parts like that. Total floor area. 15 times 1000. 15,000 square meters. This is not the thing they ask. They ask about the production line. Then production line is 2/3 from the total area. Total floor area is 15,000. From that, 2/3 is production. Area of the production line. 2/3 of total area. Here in so many places, you can see the of word is there. Of stands for multiplication out of the remaining floor times. And this is 10,000 square meters. So while you are reading sentence type questions, you can draw a sketch like this way. Sketch the details, then it's easy for you to do the questions. Or highlight the details given in the question, underline them. Okay, then we'll go to division. Divide in fractions. First one, 2/7 divide by a whole number. We'll take 10. Second one, fraction divide by another fraction. $25. Third one, fraction divide by a whole number. A whole number we had. I gave first example, mixed number. Like, I'll write it another way. Mixed number divided by a fraction. Bigger number divided by smaller number. Five. Okay, let's go to the first one. Dividing fractions also a kind of multiplication. First step is to turn the second fraction upside down. Write the reciprocal of the second fraction. Second fraction or the second number. This one. Here it is this. The second one. Turn it upside down. Write the reciprocal. First one as it is. Then change this division symbol to multiplication symbol. 10 over 1 reciprocal is 1 over 10. Now it's a normal multiplication. We can cancel off the common factors, then multiply together. 2 times 1, this is 2 times 5. Numerators, 1 into 1 is 1. Denominator, 7 times 5 is 35. It's a proper fraction and this is in the simplest form, 1 over 35. Then the second one, first one write as it is, 3 over 5. Change division into multiplication. Turn the second fraction upside down. Reciprocal of 9 over 25 is 25 over 9. Cancel off the common factors. This is 3 times 1, 3 times 3, 5 times 1 and 5 times 5. Multiply 1 into 5 is 5, 1 into 3 is 3. Improper fraction. Write it as a mixed number. 5 divided by 3. 1, denominator is 3, remainder comes as 2. 1, 2 over 3. The third one. There is a mixed number. Convert into an improper fraction. That is the first step. Before we turn the second fraction upside down, we have to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. 2 times 3, 6, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 over 3. Then change the division into multiplication. Turn it upside down, 5 over 2. We can't cancel anything, so multiply. 7 times 5, 35. 3 times 2, 6. Improper fraction, convert it back to a mixed number. 35 divided by 6. 6 times 6 is 36. 6 times 5 is 30. 5. Denominator is same 6. Remainder is 5. 5, 5 over 6. Write these 3 examples. Turn it upside down. Go to the Tute. Again, there are 6 questions from 9 to 14 for division. Here the heading, this is dividing, D-I-V-I, not E. Here it is I, dividing fractions. Giving your answers as a fraction in their lowest terms. Final answer should be a fraction. Check your answers. Ninth one, answer is 12. 10th one, 4, 1 over 2. 11th one, 10 over 21. 12th one, 4 over 9. 13, 2 over 9. 14, 8, 1 over 3. Is there any different answers? No. Who got all correct? Put a thumb up. Who raised the hand? Viduda, yes. Jumna, Kiara, Jenali. I couldn't remember the name, sorry. Linaya, no? Ah, yes, Linaya. Very good. Then we'll go to that sentence type. 2 questions are there for sentence. These are easy. These are just beginning of the lesson. Do the 15th question. A roll of ribbon is 32 1 over 2, 32 half centimeters long. How many pieces 1 over 4 centimeter long can be cut from the roll? Cut from the roll means it's a division. The total length or the length of the roll is 32 half. Cut into pieces of length 1 over 4. Both are mixed numbers. Convert them into improper fractions. Change into multiplication. Simplify. Thirteen times 2 is 26. We can cut into 26 pieces. Correct, right? I think you all got correct. Question number 16. Dylan or Dylan. We'll spell it as Dylan's. Cow produces 21 1/3 liters of milk per day. The milk is put into bottles with a volume of 2 1/3 liters. How many bottles does Dylan need each week to bottle all the milk? The total amount of the milk is this. The volume of a bottle is this one. Find the number of bottles required. Again, it's a division of two mixed numbers. Convert into improper fractions. Reciprocal. I can cancel 3 and 3. But 64 and 7 I can't.
You have to multiply 64 over 7 into 7 because they're asking for a week, not for a day.
Ah, yeah, it asks for a week. Bottles with a volume of 7. This is only per day, no? 64 times 1 over 7. This is for 1 day. Then for 7 days, multiply it by 7. Then we can cancel off 7 and 7. 64 bottles. Okay. Then we'll go to addition and subtraction. That's the last part. Then we'll stop the class. We'll finish the fraction part and stop. Addition and subtraction of fractions. I think you all got correct this answer. Others, raise your hand if it's correct. Adding, and subtracting of fractions. Two over 7 plus 3 over 7. Very easy. Denominators are same, so just add the numerators. 2 plus 3. Then it is 5 over 7. Then no issue if the denominators are same. What if they are different? Like 5 over 7 plus 2 over 3. Now denominators are not equal. We have to make them equal. LCM, lowest common multiple. Find the lowest common multiple of the denominators given. Denominators are 3 and 7. LCM of 3 and 7. Lowest common multiple. Multiples of 3, 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, like that. Multiples of 7, 7, 14, 21, like this way. Then find which is common in both multiplications and get the lowest common one. And if I write more, it's 15, then 18, after that 21. So 3 times table also we have 21, 7 times table also we have 21. That's the lowest common multiple. Another way to find the common denominator, same lowest common multiple. Another method is 3 and 7, the bigger number is 7. So we write 7 times table and see whether which is divisible by 3. First multiple is 7, it is not divisible by 3. Second multiple is 14, it is also not divisible by 3. Third one is 21, yes, it's divisible by 3. So 21 is the common denominator. Then to make 21, we have to multiply 7 by 3. 7 times 3 is 21. So now we are writing equivalent fractions. Multiply numerator and denominator both by the same number. Second fraction is 2 over 3. To make 21, we have to multiply 3 by 7. Multiply numerator and denominator both. Then now numerator is 3 times 5 is 15 plus 2 times 7 is 14. Since the denominator is same, add them. 15 plus 14, 29 over 21. Improper fraction, write it as a mixed number. 1, 21, 8. We can't simplify it further. Seven over 9 minus 5 over 12. Now subtraction. Denominators are 9 and 12. What is the LCM of 9 and 12? This is 5. Go through 12 times table and see which is divisible by 9. 12, it is not divisible by 9. 24, no. 36, yes, 36 is divisible by 9. 36 is the common denominator. Then 9 times 4 gives us 36. 12 times 3 is 36. 7 times 4, 28, minus 5 times 3, 15. Subtract the numerator. 8 minus 5 is 3. 2 minus 1 is 1. 13 over 36. We can't simplify it further. This is a proper fraction. Next one. 2, 3 over 5 plus 1, 1 over 8. Add in two mixed numbers. Mixed numbers, we have whole number part and the fraction part. No, so we can add them separately or convert them into improper fractions and get the common denominator. Do like that. So if I do use that first method, this 2, 3 over 5, 2 is the whole number. So I can add whole numbers separately. 1 is whole number. 2 plus 1. Then I will add the proper fractions. 3 over 5 plus 1 over 8. 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 5 and 8. LCM of 5 and 8. Bigger number is 8. Go through 8 times table. 8 is not divisible by 5. Next one 16. No, it is not divisible by 5. Go like that. Then it's 40. No? 40 is divisible by 5. 5 times 8 is 40. 8 times 5 is 40. 8 times 3, 24. Plus 5 times 1, 5. Now denominator same. So we can add 3 plus 24 plus 24 plus 5 is 29 over 40. Then write it as a mixed number. Combine these two. 3, 29 over 40. Then we'll subtract two mixed numbers. 4, 2 over 9 minus 3, 5 over 6. This also we can do whole numbers separately and fractions separately. But in the subtraction, we can't use that method all the time. If it's like this, 1, 5 over 7 minus 2, 1 over 9. Now, if I consider the whole numbers, it's 1 minus 2. 1 minus 2, answer is a negative answer. Now, if the whole numbers like this way giving negative answers, don't follow this method. Convert them into improper fractions and subtract. Questions like this. The second whole number is bigger than the first whole number. So we will get a negative answer if we follow this method, which we used in fourth question. So for these ones, use convert everything into improper fractions and get the common denominator. The fifth question, it's not like that. Second whole number is 3. First whole number is 4. It doesn't give us a negative answer. So we can subtract. 4 minus 3 plus 2 over 9 minus 5 over 6. 4 minus 3 is 1. 9 and 6. Common denominator is 9 times table. 9. Second one 18. 18 is divisible by 6. This is 9 times 2. Always try to get the lowest multiple. Then it's easy for you to simplify. 6 times 3 is 18. 2 times 2, 4. 5 times 3, 15. Minus 15. 1 plus 4 minus 15 is minus 11. Here we will get a negative answer. It's like this. Minus 11 over 18. Plus times minus is minus. Then I can write it 1 minus 11 over 18. Then 1 means the denominator also 1. We can take common denominator as 18. So this is now like 18 over 18. Multiply by 18. 18 minus 11. 7 over 18. So we wrote 5 examples for addition and subtraction both. When addition and subtraction both are there in the same question, we don't want to go for BODMAS or BIDMAS. All are same method, no addition and subtraction. What we do is we get the common denominator. So you get the common denominator and add, subtract. I will give a question like this. That's the last example, the sixth one. Two fractions to add, the third one to subtract. Two over 3 plus 5 over 8 minus 1 over 6. No need to go for the order. You don't want to go BODMAS or BIDMAS. 3, 8 and 6. Take the common denominator. 8 is the bigger number. So we have to go through 8 times table. 8, 16, 24 like that. Then check whether it is divisible by 3 and 6 both. 8 is no, 16 is no, 24 is divisible by 3 and 6 both. 24 is the common denominator. Then to make 24, 3 has to multiply by 8. 8 has to multiply by 3. 6 has to multiply by 4. 16, 15 and 4. Now there's no order. You can add these two and subtract 4, or first subtract 4 and add it to the 16. (27 over 24). We can simplify it further. Divisible by 3. 3 times 8. This is 3 times 9. 9 over 8 is an improper fraction. Write it as a mixed number. 1 over 8. Okay, then we'll go back to the questions in the Tute. I think you all have finished these 6 examples. Finished, right? Seventeen to 22. Again, 6 questions are there. You have to keep the answer in the simplest form. If you get any improper fraction, write it as a mixed number. There are 6. Do quickly.
Excuse me, teacher, I don't see the latter part answers.
Okay, wait. Now, this 20th question, check and let me know whether you can see that part, the final answer.
No, teacher.
No? 20th one?
Yeah, I only see the workings.
Only up to here?
Yeah, and only up, no, the latter part also.
Can you see this part?
Yeah,
Then I can write up to that level now.
yeah.
So this is 13, 11 over 15. Answer is this, 21. Half 1 over 6. 4 plus 3 is 7. Denominator is 6. 3 plus 1. 7 plus 4 over 6. 7. 4 over 6, we can simplify 2 over 3. So it is 7, 2 over 3. Now you can see all the answers, no?
Yes, miss.
All correct?
Yes, miss.
Others? Yenali, Kiara and Viduda? Kiara, correct. Yenali, Viduda? Okay. Good. So all these questions are easy. No? So what we have to do in these questions is we have to speed it up. So then we can have that time to do the other questions in the paper. Easy questions do fast. The fractions, the scientific or the standard form, those indices questions, we can do them very quickly. We then use that time to do the difficult questions in the paper. Then 23 and 24, I'll give you to do as homework. 23, 24. That's your homework question. 2 questions are there. The next day we have to start from order of operations. Then significant figures. Then the first unit, first lesson number is done. Then from standard form onwards, number 2, that is unit 2, first lesson. Before we finish the class, if you have any questions, you can ask now. Those who are doing 2027 exam, raise your hand. Yumna, Viduda, Yenali, Linaya.
Miss, what was the question?
Who are doing the exam next year, 2027?
I didn't hear.
Still you didn't hear?
No, now I heard.
You all are doing 2027? No? So except Yumna, the other 4, if you are free on Tuesday, so I will share the link on Tuesday like around 7:30. You can join to the paper class. They are mainly doing the papers. Now in this class, we will do both the lessons and the papers. No, today, since the first day, I stopped from now 8. So after we finish in for a few lessons, we can start papers. So if you all are free on Tuesday, like 7:30, you can join to that class. I'll share the link. Yumna, the thing is you can't join because you are doing Cambridge, right? Not Edexcel. Yeah, then you can't do that papers. So I'll give the papers separately for you. These lessons are similar, Edexcel and Cambridge both. Then when it comes to the lessons, different lessons, I'll do separate sessions for you. Okay, then if you don't have any questions to ask, we can finish the class. If you have any questions, you can ask now. Yumna, you don't worry. So after a few days, I'll take you separately and do the class.
Okay. Excuse me, teacher.
Yes, Linaya?
I have a small problem, like in the
Like
converting part.
converting means converting improper to mixed numbers, that part.
Yeah, that part.
Which one? Improper to mixed or mixed numbers to improper?
Improper to mixed numbers.
Improper.
So
If
like
I,
so in the worksheet that we did today, so like some I have turned them into improper fractions and they were correct, and some of them I have turned into improper fractions, but the correct answer was in a mixed number. So I don't understand why some are in mixed number form and why are others in an improper form.
the final answer.
Yes, miss.
So which one is that? Usually when we are writing the
Question.
question, yes, tell me. Which question?
10th and 14th question, miss.
Okay, we'll go to 10th and 14, 10, 10, 10. If others don't have any questions to ask, you can leave. 10th one. 10th one, first one, it's a whole number, and 6 is a whole number. 1 over 3 is a mixed number.
Yes.
6 over 1, convert this into an improper fraction. When we are writing the final answer, we again convert back into a mixed number.
Okay, teacher. So in the 11th one, the answer is 21 over 10. So aren't we supposed to keep that also in a mixed number?
21 over?
No, I mean 10 over 21.
10 over 21. Is this an
Yeah.
improper fraction?
No.
Improper
It's
is
not, it's not
21 over.
Yeah.
This
Okay,
is
okay.
a proper fraction.
Okay.
Now it's okay?
I got it. Yeah. Thank you, miss. I got it.
Okay.
Thank you, teacher. God bless you, teacher. Have a nice day, teacher.
Okay, bye. God bless you. You don't have any questions? No. Okay, then. Have a nice day. Good night.